When we're not making bespoke pieces for our clients here at LondonRocks, we like to have a little bit of fun here in the workshop. So today I'm going to be making a Poison Bottle Pendant from these nuts and bolts. What is a poison bottle, I hear you say? So these type of pendants were used to carry perfume and were also called scent bottle pendants. They get their name from their 16th century predecessor, the poison ring, or the pillbox ring, amongst many other names. The intrinsic value of the brass is nothing like platinum or gold, which we're used to working with. So I'm going to add some diamonds to give this piece some flair. I've seen other creatives and craftspeople here on YouTube making things out of brass nuts and bolts. And I've seen them basically melting the whole thing down and starting from scratch. It's not what I want to do. I want to make the most impact by the least amount of interference as possible. So now I'm going to put all of my components onto the screw. I'm going to laser tack them together before removing the screw and soldering them all together. I want to make this poison bottle look quite engine turned, but I don't have a lathe, so I'm going to have to improvise. rings were used to carry suspicious substances, to slip into your enemy's food or drink, or to use on oneself to elude capture by suicide. Originating in the Far East and India and making their way to Europe by the Middle Ages. They became popular for holding all sorts of personal keepsakes, from miniature portraits to locks of hair of deceased loved ones, called memento mori. Great, now that I've got my bottle complete and it's nice and watertight, now I'm gonna add some diamonds. One thing I've always found fascinating about the jewellery industry and my trade is the contradiction. You've got grubby, working class men like myself creating the most fabulous and most desirable luxury objects. So we recreated this historical type of pendant for a bit of fun, but I'm sure there's a lot of you out there that might find a pendant like this extremely useful. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button to stay up to date with everything diamonds, jewellery and gems. My name is Karl Carter. This is London Rocks. See you next time.